If you aren't there and meeting people face to face, the excitement is lost. With the user conference, we're solving two things. One, a direct contact between user and user, getting OSIsoft out of the way. In addition, we want to include OSIsoft in the conversation.
The user conference are basically presentations from OSI on what we're doing now, where we're going, presentations from users on what they've done, and then presentations from interesting or new users so people can see where we should go. From our perspective, we're trying to get a good handle on where the world is moving. It takes 7 years to build a software product, and if you tried to imagine what sort of environment you had on your desktop in 7 years, it's not very easy. Having people discuss in front of us what they're doing, then we benefit by finding out or making our best guesses as to where the world is moving.
When we understand what they're doing, we ultimately try to understand where they're trying to go in the future and try to map our roadmap to their customer needs.
What the customer gets is feedback and verification if they're on the right path, because as soon as we finish our part, we're building basically an infrastructure. Now they have to go on.
The user conference, there's excitement. The Day Zero events, and the Day Zero events lend to like stories. I'm in the same industry and I can share my pain, how I've been utilizing Pi to solve this pain that ultimately saves us money.
We start with some keynotes where we're trying to describe what we're trying to accomplish within the week. Then we move to breakout sessions where individual users and individual engineers describe various aspects of the system. We have a partner pavilion where people that have built their software on top of our software can interact with our customers and talk to them.
Where you can introduce yourself to someone that may be building an application or doing services on the Pi system in a regional area that you may not be able to service yourself.
And then we'll have closing sessions where we try to see what's coming in the future and have whatever papers that we believe will show best what we see.
If we didn't have a user conference, where would we learn and listen to what the customers are actually doing with the product?